Pregnancy is a joyous moment of every couple's life. But in the wake of this pandemic, our patient had to undergo distress and confusion regarding the availability and continuity of medical service and care. I, Dr. Sunil Ishwar, the lead consultant of obstetrics and gynecology, and along with my team, we continue to provide services during these tough times. However, we meet certain changes to make sure that our patients are safe and we provide a continuous and best care to our patients in our hospital.
When our patients come to the outpatient department, they are directed through a separate entrance, and at the entrance they are asked for any symptoms of running a temperature or having cold or cough. If found to have such a symptom, they are redirected to the flu clinic. At the entrance, we provide them with sanitizer and masks. We ensure that each one has their mask on, and then their temperature is checked, their saturation is checked, and after clearing all this, only they can come to the fourth floor, wherein we run our outpatient for obstetrics and gynecology.
Our outpatient department is on the fourth floor. We have ensured that social distancing is maintained in the lift and in the OPD. Only one attendant is allowed along with the patient. We schedule the appointments such that crowding in the waiting area can be avoided. The sitting arrangement is also made to ensure social distancing. We have 3 consultant rooms and an ultrasound room on the same floor so that the patients can get all the services on the same floor without having to go up and down in the hospital.
Labour is the most important phase as the culmination of 9 months of hardship in the journey of a woman in becoming a mother. At Aster RV Hospital, we have a fully equipped labour room with highly experienced, well-trained staff to make sure that your delivery is a seamless process. We have made strict rules to allow only a single attender with the patient, but we are also allowing the husband to be there with the patient during the delivery with appropriate personal protective equipment. We make sure that we test all our patients for COVID-19 before any planned admissions or planned inductions and deliveries. And for emergency patients who come in without the COVID report, we have segregated wards and rooms for any suspected cases until the reports come. We've also segregated our operation theatres and designated this OT to be utilized for any COVID positive or COVID suspected pregnancy patients for deliveries.
We have stood by our promise to provide care and safety to our patient. What can be a better testament than our own patient sharing their personal experience in this hospital?
The first meeting itself was something which I was given a lot of confidence by the entire team, be it the environment that the hospital did provide or the confidence that the doctor did show when we had our first interaction. Then came the entire COVID pandemic and there was the complete lockdown. Even during the lockdown, I could always count on the team at Aster RV who kept in touch with me, and be it Miss Nazim, who is Dr. Sunil Ishwar's assistant, who always kept me up to date with when I could come in for my tests, or even if I could postpone my tests, because I was not very confident to come in during the lockdown for tests or expose myself to what could possibly be. When the lockdown was lifted, I came back for all my tests. The labs, the radiology department, all of them were very supportive. They gave me all my reports as quickly as possible, so I could be up to date with all my medical records, because it was very late into my pregnancy that I did meet Dr. Sunil Ishwar at Aster RV.
Before taking up the operation also, I had a safety measures, second thought on the safety measures, as there is a lockdown and COVID environment, and it's not advisable to get it operated during this time. I had this second thought, but because of Dr. Sunil's convincing words and the encouraging words, I can say I got it operated, and the operation is successful, completely successful, and now I'm able to walk also. I just completed it, got the operation done on Wednesday, day before yesterday, and today I am able to walk and do my normal work. and each and every staff, I can mention it, even everybody cooperated so well that we were feeling kind of at home only. And Dr. Sunil was excellent. He boosted my spirits up, and then he literally made me come out of this problem which I was suffering from past few years, in fact. So now I'm totally out of the problem because of Aster RV Hospital and Dr. Sunil and the staff. It's really excellent service what they have rendered. I'm happy about the service what they have given me. Thank you.
The journey of 9 months for a couple to become parents need continuity of care. This continuity can only be assured by consultants who practice as team. We at Aster RV practice as team, thus ensuring that our patients are attended by a consultant at all times.